So my product is called Next Prescription Predictor. It's the new projects pool, and it's for 60K funding requested. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to predict, given a patient history, as shown in the figure to the left, like his age, his medical conditions that he suffered from. We try to have a model that take all this history and try to guess what would his future medical records have terms. These terms could be like diseases like the one listed here, and like he's 64, could sometimes be one of them. And it could be like prescriptions, as the name of the project suggests, and it could be some treatments. Why we are trying to do that? It's because it's super helpful. This could be helpful to like patients, to doctors, to educators, to students. It could be used in various ways. Why are we trying? So the structure is like a GPT based, it's a transformer based model. And it takes like the past event and try to predict the future. We do that because GPT structure works, and it can work on basically any text and structured data, which is the kind of main source of data that we're trying, AHR records. And theoretically, it can predict into any range in the future of medical history. So like we can take the predictions that the model generated, add it to the history of the patient, and then predict next time. Keep going like that in an autoregressive manner. So what are we exactly trying to do? So we're trying to build a whole pipeline where we start with the raw data that is like the medical notes written by the doctors and the patient medical history, which usually in raw text. We use what's called as an NER model, or named entity recognition model, that extracts these like keywords mentioned here, like memory impairment, recurrent pulse, sensitivity, age. This model extracts these features. Then we try to predict what would be the next keywords. Based on that, we finally use an explanation module that will take these terms, classify them as this is a disease, as a treatment, it's a prescription, and explain it to the final user. All of the three services would be onboarded onto the SNET market, and this will help collaboration and other like services in health work. Finally, our team consists of me, that will be the lead researcher. We also have engineers that will be focused on deployment, and an NLP engineer who would work on the text data collection and cleaning and processing, the first milestone. And we're also looking to like almost 50% of 2 milestones for like contracting with a junior pathologist. That will help us in classifying the data at first, and then like evaluating the model predictions. And I guess that's all.
Okay, beautiful. That's your 3 minutes, and someone did figure out how to start a timer, and I thank you very much, Ammar. So that was Ammar, and I believe it was Next Prescription. And which pool are you in?
New projects.
New projects. That's what I thought.